Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the group feature of KushoAI. So, a group in KushoAI helps you organize related test suites together for better management and execution, and they are extremely useful when you have multiple test suites that have similar functionalities or are part of the same API service. For example, if you have five banking APIs of the product, you can just group or bind them together and run them. So, let's see how you can do it. So first I will go to the test suite page to select the test suites that I want to group together. So I will just select these two APIs, delete product API and update product API, and I will click on add to group. So I can choose any existing group or I can just create one. So if I choose any existing group, so it will show the tag of the group. For example, in this case, I have added these two APIs in the e-commerce system. So they are showing that these API belong to the e-commerce one. And you can add multiple API, the same API to multiple groups as well. So I will click on create group. I will name it uh, product API and click on add test suites, create, and yeah, so my API would be added to the group. So I will click on group to check if these are added. So this is the product API group that I created. I will click on it, and yes, the two APIs are here. So to run it, you can click on run group, and it will show you this screen. You can select any environment that you have, you can generate report from it as well, or you can run individually, or you can just click on run all, so it will run all the APIs present in the group. So I will click on run group, and yeah, the tests are running. So let's see when it will execute and give us the result. So our API have executed, and as you can see, they are completed, and you can click on details to check which one have the 200 error they passed or have the 404. And yeah, you can check the details of that API as well here, and all the responses and all the headers and response body would be present. And you can go to the test suite page as well by clicking on this button. And yeah, there you go. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.